Hey folks, it's Danielle with 4Patriots, and I have a very exciting announcement, just in time for summer, so get ready. Maybe you should sit down. No, on second thought, maybe stand up, because you might just jump for joy when you hear about this. 4Patriots is having our biggest sweepstakes ever. It's on right now, and this time, everyone's a winner. I've got prizes lined up worth a total of $6,542. I'm talking about prizes guaranteed to deliver life-saving security, backup power protection, and some very important peace of mind for you and your family. But the real total prize value of this sweeps is infinite because everyone who enters comes away with a prize. Our mission is to help you be ready for whatever crisis you may face. And if we can help you do it for free, wouldn't that be amazing? I'll answer for you. Of course it would. You could secure priceless peace of mind against blackouts, power outages, storms, or any number of emergencies with robust, portable, and solar-powered backup electricity and critical communications tools. And the grand prize winner will take home a prize pack worth almost $4,600 for free. That's right, if you're the big winner, you'll win our best-selling premium portable solar generator, the Patriot Power Generator 1800. Plus, you'll also win a bonus additional 100-watt solar panel to double your charging speed for free. But you don't have to be the grand prize winner to grab a great prize. We're giving away Liberty Band emergency solar radios, USB rechargeable battery packs, and everyone who enters will receive a coupon for a free Patriot Power Cell when you stock up on a 4-pack of our most popular portable power bank. Every prize ships to you on the house too. There's no cost to enter, nothing to buy. Now, if you're super lucky, you'll take home the big prize. But even if you're not, you'll still get a great prize too because everyone's a winner. By now you're wondering, hey Danielle, how does this work? It must be complicated, right? Come on, no way, it's super simple. Simply sign up for our VIPs only 4Patriots text club below. You'll be part of a select group getting advance notice of our special holiday events, new product introductions, and back-in-stock announcements for our most popular and often sold-out survival items. Then you'll spin the wheel and instantly see what you've won. It's that easy. Remember, the grand prize pack begins with the ultimate solar backup power solution, the Patriot Power Generator 1800. This workhorse is flying off the shelves as more people wake up to what it means to be fully prepared and how awful it is when the lights go out if you're not. Rolling blackouts, superstorms, an electrical grid that's sadly outdated, power outages are becoming more common, and that's not changing anytime soon. So if you want to keep the lights on, your fridge running, and your family safe and comfortable all summer long and beyond, you need one of these. You really have to protect yourself. Not only can the Patriot Power Generator run nearly anything you can plug into it, it can fully recharge using the free power of the sun. Folks, this portable power solution is valued at $3,997 all by itself. And we're kicking in a second solar panel too, which is worth another almost $600 too. This is nuts, but it's all free to one lucky winner. And with your solar panels and a 25-foot solar panel extension cord, you can enjoy free power inside while the panels soak up rays outside. Imagine you're the winner, and now you've got portable solar power crossed off your preparedness to-do list. Well, you don't have to imagine because all you need to do is enter. And everyone's a winner this time around. Even if you don't win the grand prize, you'll still end up with a free Patriot Power Cell coupon. That's not too shabby. This incredible Power Independence Sweepstakes is our way of saying thanks for your continued support for us and the military and veterans charities we stand behind. And it's a great way to get in the Independence Day spirit a little early too. Remember, all the details on how to enter this amazing giveaway are below. There's even bonus ways to enter too, so be sure to check them out and get all your entries in before we pick the winner. Will it be you? Everyone's a winner, but you've got to enter to win. So get to it. The deadline to enter is June 28th at midnight Pacific, so don't wait. Enter now. Good luck.